guys, my name is Sara. I am a cabin manager here in HiFly, and I would like you to join me on a quick tour here on the A380. But first, I would like to tell you about myself. In the early days, I joined university to become a teacher, and I became interested in aviation. So I just joined HiFly, that is a great company to work with, and now I am a cabin manager in this amazing aircraft 380. So first, I'm going to show you a little bit of my work. Here on this screen, I can control the entertainment system. This shows me that all entertainment system is working well. We have a safety video, and also I can control the passenger seat and do resets if the entertainment system comes off, or here reading lights, I can do resets so everybody is happy in the aircraft always during all flights. On this one, we call it FAP. I can put and choose warning music. Here I control the lights. So during night flights, we can do the service with 50% of lights, or put meal dim, coffee and tea, sleep, wake up lights. Here I can see that all the doors are armed or disarmed if they become yellow. And here I control the temperature. Here I can see the waste tanks and water tanks. We always have to have the water tanks full and waste tanks empty in the beginning of each flight. So here I communicate with the cockpit, so they can know if the cabin is ready for takeoff and landing. And here shows me the passenger calls. If they call a cabin crew member, we go right away. We receive a message here on FOP. So now I am going to show you the galleys where myself and my colleagues prepare the service. So this is my colleague Sveni, and she's going to tell you what we do in the galley.
Hey guys, so this is our oven. We usually heat our food here. This also has a steamer, so it contains all the heat and pre-warms all the meals of the galleys. So this is our warmer. We used to contain the heat, bread to be warm during the flight. This is our coffee maker, espresso machine. This is our microwave. This is our refrigerator and freezer also. And the other side we have also our refrigerators to put all the alcohol, all the drinks, warming cabinets, containers. And you must be wondering what this is. This is our wine opener. We use this for the first class passengers. And I hope you enjoyed our flight. See you guys.
Thank you, Sveni. And before you guys go back to the cockpit, I would like to show you our first class apartments that HiFly can provide to the customers. So the first thing you notice is, look at how big this area is. It gives you a lot of privacy. The seat is so comfortable and is huge also. And here we have a seat for another guest or legroom. And guys, tell me if you've ever seen a blind as big as this. And also, when it comes to dinner, you have so much space. You can share it with a friend. finally, I'm going to show you how to make this into a double bed. So guys, this is the end of our tour. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the flight in the cockpit. Bye!